Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, chrome mirror caps, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heated front seats, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim. Come see the car for yourself.